Guys, baka guys, baka gusto niyo ng tutorial ng I'm not cute anymore. That's part 2 na po to. Not cute. Guys, ganun nyo lang yung ano nyo. Yung body. Parang cute. I'm not cute anymore. Ulit. Again, tuloy. I'm not cute anymore. I'm not cute anymore. Sige. So, try ng try. I'm not cute anymore. I'm not cute anymore. Sige. So, turuan ko kayo yung ganito. Tsaka yung ganito. First, diba, ganyan yung mukha nyo. Yan, ganito nyo. Tapos, guys, ganito nyo yung kamay nyo. Ganon. Tapos, may L kayo na kamay. Tapos, ganon. Not. Guys, ganon ko lang yung ano. Halimbawa, walang kamay. Parang ganon siya. I'm not cute anymore. Sige, wala ulit kamay. Ganon. I'm not cute anymore. Sige. I'm not cute anymore. I'm not cute anymore. Follow for more and subscribe, guys, to my TikTok channel, to my YouTube channel. Mag-follow po kayo sa TikTok. Mag-follow din po kayo sa YouTube.